This company, it's an electrical supply house for Charleston. They deal with everything, commercial, industrial, and residential electrical supply. The reason they put the building up is because they move a lot of copper wire. Copper wire is expensive and people want to steal it. They needed an area to put it to where they could, protect it, not only from the elements, but mainly from thievery. And they could get more wire in here. So if you buy bigger lots of wire, you get a better price. It's better financially. I'm not originally from the Charleston area. I'm from California, and I started putting metal buildings up when the bottom fell out, like in 08, 09, and there was nothing going on residentially. Used a few different companies, found Olympia, and just kind of stayed with them. On this particular project, I called Matt Abrams. I talked to him. We didn't know how big a building we could fit on the site because setbacks, and also there's a transmission line that goes across the property. So we kept changing the size of the building. So I was constantly on the phone with Matt, like, give me a price for this size building. We shrunk it down a couple different times. Matt was great about getting us new pricing and new layout. Back and forth from Matt was really good. We finalized buying the building in February, and I think we had the building in April. As soon as the building was done, we start getting into that humid time of the year here, so it was getting, I'll call it tested, right, with some good rainstorms. Before we insulated the building, because we did spray foam, I wanted to make sure there were no leaks, no issues at all. The guys did a good job installing it, but also the components worked well too. For me personally, a lot of times you'll price buildings out, or I've done in the past, where I'm like, okay, well, this guy's somewhat cheaper than maybe Olympia Steel Buildings, but when it's all said and done, I don't have to chase down parts. If there is an issue, I can easily contact them. Everything goes together well. There's a lot less issues with erecting the building. So to me, it's an easy sell.